Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna start decorating my house for Christmas. I literally just finished filming a video showing you guys all the decorations that I bought for Christmas this year. It wasn't so much, but I did buy a few things that I wanted to, decorate my house with. The theme that I'm going for this year is going to be a light white neutral theme. So a lot of whites, a lot of neutrals, champagne, gold colors. If you guys see my haul, then you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I have my niece Maya here in the background, as you guys can see. And then we have Lorenzo and Ollie in the background as well. Lorenzo is helping me take out all the storage bins with all my Christmas decorations from previous years. So they will be helping me decorate for Christmas, and I'm so excited because I just can't wait for everything to look so pretty. I want to apologize in advance for the lighting. My ring light has officially died. The light bulb went off. It just doesn't work. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but it doesn't work. So I have horrible lighting in my house. I did buy some more lighting on Amazon, but I bought it way too late and it's not gonna be here on time. It's gonna get here till tomorrow night. And I don't wanna wait till tomorrow night to film this video. I just wanna decorate now. So I apologize in advance for the horrible lighting in my house. I know it's gonna look horrible. So we're gonna get this video started. I'm gonna go ahead and first go through all the bins and go through previous year's decorations to see what I'm gonna be using to decorate the house this year. So yeah, if you guys want to see me decorate the house, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so it's actually been a bit since you guys last seen the clips of me putting up the tree and decorating the house. I want to say it's been like a week now, and I'm pretty much done decorating for Christmas. I'm like 90% there, just because there is a few things that I want to buy and add to like the living room here and there. You're gonna see that this is basically only like the living room and the foyer decor. There's really not many other rooms in my house that are decorated. Like my kitchen is not decorated. My room has like one Christmas tree, and mine and Lorenzo's bedroom has one Christmas tree. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys the living room part of this home decor or Christmas house decor video. And yeah, let's get started. So here's pretty much an overview of the living room area. Ollie Bear was just sitting right there on the couch. You could see his little footprints, but he got up. I don't think he's happy with me just because he just got home from the groomers and he hates the groomers. So what I was saying is this is an overview of the living room. You guys are gonna notice that the tree is no longer over here. I had put it here, and honestly, this is the area that we had put the tree years before, but I decided to switch it up a little bit and I put the tree there, and I honestly like it there so much better. I just felt like it was like scrambled and like just tight in this little area. So I had this kind of branch situation here that lights up. I had this from a few years ago, and I thought that I would just put it there instead of the tree. As you can see, it's obviously not as clustered how it was with the tree there. If you guys seen my little haul video, you guys are gonna see that I purchased this sign right here that says Joy from Hobby Lobby. I put it right here on top of the couches, and we have this gray sectional that is right on the corner area of our living room. So I thought it was just perfect right on top of there, just because it looks pretty plain and I didn't know what to put there. I absolutely hate that we have this box here. It is my worst nightmare and I hate it so much, but there's really nothing I can do to cover it. I've tried putting like stuff over it and it just does not look good. So I have no other choice than just to pretend that it's not there. And yeah, I absolutely hate that. So we do have this big window right here in the living room, and I'm planning to put some curtains. I'm gonna put some curtains that drape from the ceiling, and hopefully that makes it look a lot better, just because I do think that this part of the living room is pretty plain. And keep in mind, this is my apartment, it's not my house. So if it was my house, it'd be a different story and I'd be switching things around. But since This is not my permanent home, and I do plan on moving soon. I'm just doing the minimal here. So I do have these pillows right here on the couch. I'm absolutely obsessed with these pillow covers. I actually just got them in the mail from Amazon. I'm gonna link them down below if you guys want to purchase them, but they're so cute. It's kind of like a nice ivory color, and they're so soft. They're so soft, and it came with a set of 2, and then we have these plain black suede pillows and then a white one. Okay guys, so moving on to the tree. This is our tree, and this is how it ended up looking, and I love it. It's literally everything that I envisioned, and I'm just really obsessed. So as you guys know, I did want to go for this like light creamy champagne warm tone tree this year, and I feel like it is giving everything that I wanted. And I did not buy a tree topper, but I had these little picks, these little stems from previous years that I feel like were just perfect to add to the top of the tree. And then I also had this like draping little branch pick that I had also bought from previous years that I thought was just perfect if I just put it on like the side of the tree. There's one on that side and one on this side. I'm gonna light the tree up and show you guys what it looks like lit up. So it's obviously daytime right now, and it doesn't look as good as it would if it was nighttime, but here is what the tree looks lit up. The vision that I got with the tree was something a little bit more basic and minimalistic, but yet cute. I didn't want to do anything crazy with like a lot of colors. It literally screams aesthetic for me. It's giving more of a mature aesthetic if you ask, and I love it. And then we ended up just putting a white fuzzy tree skirt on it. So now we're moving on to the TV little console area. This is how it ended up looking. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I'm not 100% sure if I like this area or not, but I'm just gonna let it be, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. So on top of the TV, we ended up putting this little frame up here, and it lights up. So for the table, I ended up putting these trees right here. A lot of these trees I've had from previous years. This reindeer I also had from previous years, and I normally have it up in my beauty room, but I decided since it was white, it went with the aesthetic, and I just wanted to put it down there. Right in front of the TV, I have this sign that says days until Christmas. I think my niece put it there, and I was just like, okay, we're just gonna leave it there. Let's not move it. I don't know where else to put it, so let's just let it be. Right on the sides of it, I have these little pine cones, which are the stocking little holders. And for stockings this year, we have these 2 right here. I actually had purchased these also from years ago, but I do think I'm gonna switch them out. I wanna go for matching stockings because obviously these are not matching. This one has rhinestones, and it's really pretty. It's really bejeweled, and I feel like it goes with the aesthetic because it's warm tone and it has pearls. It's just really gorgeous. But I do want to have a matching stocking with Lorenzo, and his stocking is black and white, and obviously it doesn't go with the decor at all. There's no black in here other than the pillows, but I haven't come across any stockings that I've liked so far, so I just ended up putting those up. But if I do find some, I'm gonna end up buying some matching stockings and maybe a matching throw pillow. I feel like that would be so cute because I am missing like a little throw pillow to put somewhere in the couch. And then on the left side of the TV, we have more trees. Both of these trees are also from past years, and I got them from Hobby Lobby. And then we have a lit candle right here. This is winter candy apple. It's literally the only candle that I will light up all winter long just because I am obsessed with the smell. It's just so yummy. And last but not least, we have this area right here. This is the foyer area, the entrance of my apartment. And I have this table here. I had gotten this table on Amazon a few years ago, and I am obsessed with it. I literally change it as the seasons change. So for this season, we ended up going with obviously all the cream and white tones. I also really love this mirror. I've been having it for like 3 years already. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I really love like the rustic kind of like faded white look. I don't even know how to describe it, but it is just the most perfect, beautiful entrance mirror that I've ever seen. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. So right here I have this little fire lamp situation that I got from the 99-cent store a few years ago, and it is battery operated, so I can put some batteries in there and it lights up at night. And then right next to it I have this tree that I bought from Hobby Lobby this year. Right next to it I have this little vase situation with plants that I got from Target. I also showed you guys this in my last video when I did the haul. And then right next to it, we have these candles right here. I am going to have to get new candles just because these are very old. And as you can see, I have lit them up before in the past. And what is this one doing? Look at this. The way it's disfigured, I am so dead. But I'm gonna get some new candles and I'm gonna put the candles there. And then right next to it, I have this vase with these picks right here. These little stems are from Hobby Lobby. I had them from years ago as well. A lot of this decoration, as you guys can see, is from previous years. I didn't buy a lot of new things this year. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh my God, you're so beautiful. Tell everyone you got a haircut. You got a haircut and you showered and you smell so yummy. Look at his big brown eyes, guys. He has the cutest big brown eyes. Alright guys, so this wraps up my Christmas home decor video. I hope you guys liked it. I know I personally love seeing people decorate their house for Christmas or just seeing what their house looks like decorated for Christmas. They're literally my favorite type of content to watch this time of year. That will be all for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.